Hi, I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about LinkedIn. I don't know if some of you are using it. I know a lot of people that I talk to are using it at the moment, but if you're not using it and your products or your business is targeting the business to business market, then you should definitely have a look and start building your profile, also connecting to people as well. But I'm not here to talk about that today. What I want to do is I want to show you something that I've noticed recently, and I think it's important that everyone takes notice to this and grab the opportunity while they can. The best way to explain what I'm talking about is to actually show you here. So I'm just going to pick the first person at the top of my feed, which is Lee Johnson here. If I look down at his public profile, you can see here that he's actually he's got Google Consultant. Now by default, if I show you what somebody else looks like by default, so the next person, you can see it's the name and then some digits after that, which is actually quite difficult to remember. So really, if you take the Google Consultant over here, because he snagged that term, nobody else is going to be able to take that term. So actually there's a perceived value to that. Just like at the moment and in the old days especially, where people were snagging all the best domain names, I think this is something that you should be taking for your business. Having a term like that perceives you to have expertise in that area. So so grab that while you can. If I show you mine, for example, so if I go to my profile, you can see I've changed mine to ICT expert. Now this all depends on your business, but if for example you're a gardener, then you might take gardener, or you might take gardening expert. If you want to work in a purely geographical area, so you might put gardening expert Liverpool. Whatever you decide to take, I suggest you just take it now while you can, because as there's nearly, I think the statistics was there's a new profile being registered every second. So as more profiles come on board, people will be taking these names, so you need to get yours while you can. If for example you have a couple of people in your company, get them all to take them. The more the better really. And also make sure you've added your websites. I don't really have a website at the moment, but make sure you add your websites there, and that's just an extra link for Google, but I will fill this website in soon, I promise. Okay, so if you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a shout. I will show you how to do it, just bear me 1 second. If you click edit, you can see here you've got ICT expert, public profile, customize the public profile, and there you can change that to whatever you like. Just change the text on there and click set custom URL and you're all set. Okay, hopefully in the future Google will start picking up on those keywords, and that will help towards your rankings also. Thank you.